My name's Luke, and this is my barn dominium here. And this company, Grandpatio, sent us this awesome chair. My wife absolutely loves it. We have a 7-week-old and about a 2.5-year-old, and she loves to sit on this thing and rock back and forth. It's an awesome rocker, and it's really big. I'm a pretty good-sized guy, and you can see how big it is when I'm sitting in it. It's pretty awesome. Hey, Stelly. Yeah, it was pretty easy to assemble, and this mat on the top, or the sort of pillow, just lifts right off, so you can take it off to clean it and stuff. I actually had this for a couple months now, so I got to really use it and make sure that it held up. And it's been out here, and even though it's under the cover, it's gotten rained on and snowed on, and you can see there's not even a single little bit of rust, because that was one of my concerns, is that some furniture that's made out of steel can rust, but this has a really good powder coating on it. And so far it's held up really well. So anyways, if you guys want to check this out, I got a link in my bio and a discount code. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. What do you think, Henry?